Yes guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. As you can see, July 4th cookout, grilling on the grill. You know it's your boy chef. Remember to like, subscribe. As you can see here, having some grilled shrimp with some barbecue sauce that I make, homemade barbecue sauce right here. Looking lovely. Look at that shrimp. Look at that shrimp, looking lovely. There I got some barbecue ribs and some hamburgers. I got some barbecue chicken right here. Hamburgers on the grill. You know, that's how we throw it down. That's how we cook. Homemade cooking. You know. Yes, guys, a lot more videos to come. You know, we just remember to like, subscribe, share. It's gonna get a whole lot bigger. Gonna show you